Easy anti-cheat error 30005. Enable the use of signed drivers. This is so annoying, seriously. I'm trying to open Fortnite and this thing just won't launch. How is that even possible? It just won't open. But don't worry, we're going to fix this right now. First, open CMD by typing CMD, then run it as administrator. Run it as administrator, just like that. Now try opening the game, and it still doesn't open. When it asks if you want to allow changes to the system, click Yes. You might see a black screen. For me, a box appears, probably the same one you'll see. All right, now CMD is loaded. Now we're going to type some very simple commands. Copy them, then right-click here and paste the command. Press Enter, just like that. It's crazy how something so simple can cause such a big problem, yet be so easy to fix. Right-click again, paste the next command, and press Enter. That's it, super simple. Now what you need to do is restart your computer. When it turns back on, the problem should be fixed. I hope this solves your issue. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you, because this will help a lot of people. A 1-minute tutorial that can save your life if you're a gamer. All right, see you in the next one.